Yeah, you want to talk about the damning support that you have.
That's nighttime. Yep. Yeah. I'll tell you, it's like I'm still stuck on that last comment, but I'm gonna let it go. Here's the deal. So, as I said this million times already, and drivers have become my eyes and ears in all cities, small, big, large, whatever. Okay, I cannot appreciate that more than anything. Seriously, I appreciate it. It becomes overwhelming at a point to clean things up and look at it, and decide to put it on Show Me the Money or not. But without you guys, we wouldn't be able to find EV shaving. We wouldn't be able to figure out Quest shaving. We wouldn't be able to figure out any of this because it doesn't happen to everybody. They do it, they test it, whatever they're doing, they're doing. So this was the next one. I got sent this. This is a trip. Okay, if you guys look at this, the estimate came in an hour and 29 minutes and 26 seconds, 88.46 miles. Okay, this guy also waited 15 minutes for $2 at the pickup spot. And the final tally, for one reason or another, under upfront fares, the trip, instead of lasting an hour and 29, it lasted 2 hours and 47 minutes, and it's the same miles, if you guys can see. I'm sure there was a road blockage, detour, whatever. So this driver spent, an hour and 17 more minutes for the same job, and upfront fare did not change at all. So I'm like, okay, this is an hour and 17 minutes. This guy is not going to get back, period. Why is this man's time not worth money? We want to know that. Because under time and distance, the clock would be ticking just like a cab meter, and he would have gotten paid whatever the time component of his, time and distance model was in his city. Well, in this case, what does he do? He goes, bangs his head into something called Lyft chatbot. And here it is. Chris has got the rest of it.
Yeah, so this is the whole conversation. I know it's a little bit hard to see. It's the way it was sent to us. It was the whole conversation. But the one thing that I'm going to say is, says, they go, the system is supposed, this is the driver saying this, the system is supposed to adjust the fare if there is an unreasonable large change to the trip, which I would qualify that as a significant change as well. I had other trips on Lyft where that's happened and the adjustment has happened without any issue. In this instance, the system's failed. The evidence is in front of you. You confirm the estimate was 15 minutes after it nearly 25 minutes. So this is a little bit different of a conversation than in regards to that 2 hour and 47 minute. It says, how can the pay be correct when it's that big of a discrepancy? And then the support that you want to bang your head against the wall comes from. It says, yes, the system do this, clearly not in an English speaker, but yes, the system do this, but not related to time at all. Even if the ride will be 1 hour, you will receive the upfront price you accepted because it's not related to time. It's related only to distance. So then the conversation kind of goes on just to continue talking about that, saying, yes, it's only related to time. It's not related to time at all, only distance. So yeah, that just goes to show you that your time isn't valuable. It's the miles that you drive. It's the wheels are turning, and that's it. So if you're stuck in traffic, drive on the sidewalk.
I don't know, man.
Don't really drive on the sidewalk.
17 minutes. An hour and 17 is a lot to shave, and it's a lot of time. It's not the point that a lot of people in the chat saying, I will never take this trip, do this, do that. Look, maybe it worked for the driver, he took it. That's not the point. The point is Lyft support is admitting, clearly saying that we don't care. There's no time component in upfront fares. Now, this is from Lyft support. This is undeniable. Now, if Lyft comes back and says, oh, they don't know what they're talking about, then you should train your people properly, because that was Lyft support. Mr. Vischer, if you're watching, that's Lyft support. saying that time component is meaningless under upfront fares. It could go another hour. Well, sure enough, it did. An hour and 17 minutes. Upfront fare did not change. There you go.
Yep. Pretty crazy.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.